That was cool.
Alright.
Alright, let's start with the Elmer's glue.
Just start the video first.
Did it even do anything?
Yeah, just give it a second. So weird.
So weird.
Oh,
I was just thinking the same thing. Like,
oh my god, okay.
It's whatever.
Hey guys!
Whatever.
Hey guys, Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Franny, and today I'm here with Kian.
What's up, everybody? I'm Kian. I'm joined with Franny. We're doing another makeup look.
Another one, and it is...
Why is my bun cut off? Now it's not. Now it is.
Oh wow.
Did you see that? I got a bun! Look, it's up there.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so today's video is, like Kian said, another makeup look, but I'm going to be recreating my own makeup look that I did on Kian for Halloween. What was it, like 2 years ago?
2 years ago.
Yeah, and the picture is right here over Kian's face, and I'm gonna be recreating that. But it's gonna be way better version because that was done with like Party City makeup, and it's like grease makeup, which is really hard to work with. And I actually went to a beauty supply store and got really good face paint that's really pigmented.
It's made with real pigs.
Yeah.
And it smells like pineapples.
And I'm gonna glue his eyebrows down because he has wild eyebrows.
Thanks. Ooh, after we do this video, can you pluck them?
I guess. Okay, yeah, so I'm basically just gonna be recreating the skull on him. And can you stop doing that?
Do you know what inertia is?
No, what is that?
What's in motion stays in motion until...
Oh my god.
Until something, I forget.
Okay,
Inertia
so,
is what's in motion stays in motion. Do you know?
let me just talk while I do this.
Why are you going the opposite way? Oh, it makes me cringe.
I have to.
Please, no.
I have to.
Why?
To get inside and then like pat it down.
You don't. Oh, when you go the opposite way of... Oh.
Come on. We're gonna glue down these brows.
Hey, I can't wait to get this off.
It's just, no, it's Elmer's glue. You can take it off with water.
That's like a witch laugh. My precious. And your little dog, too.
What dog?
Have you never seen Wizard of Oz?
Yeah.
I think we're done with my right eyebrow.
No.
I think you're about to take off all the hair with one more swipe. Are you messing up my man bun, too? Franny,
Okay, let me do the
you need to start doing more or something. You're wasting all of it on one eyebrow.
Okay, let me do the other side. Can you face like this little? Okay. Come on, just don't think about it. Don't think about it. Don't think about it. Hold on, we have to do another layer. Hold on. So let's let it dry a little bit.
Have you ever eaten glue?
No. There's like hair on it.
I used to put it on my hand and take it off like skin. And then
That's like the white glue though, right?
Yeah, and then you got nice first grade snack.
I'm like nauseous.
You make me nauseous too.
Oh god. Okay, okay.
I think that's like a wax strip at this point.
Your eyebrows just stay like that?
They probably will.
Ew.
I have some thick ass eyebrows. Oh my goodness.
I know. This powder just to kind of... You're so annoying.
That was fun. Ooh, what kind of makeup is that? Ben Howard?
Ben I.
Ooh, Bill's brother. Good guy. Great guy.
Okay. We're setting a little bit of powder.
We're setting powder or we're setting that with powder?
What did I say?
We're setting powder.
Oh.
I know my makeup.
It's okay if it's all white. I'm like, it's a tutorial. Because we're just going over with white paint. You know, as long as the eyebrows aren't just flying around, it's fine. Good enough. It's not drag.
That is insane. It's like, oh my god. Because I can't see it, it literally just feels like I shaved my eyebrows again. It feels like it's skin. What are you laughing at? Want me to do it to you?
No.
Oh my god, please, I have to recreate this on you. Are you kidding me?
Yeah,
Everyone give this video a thumbs up if you think I should recreate the same look on her.
I wonder if you'd actually do well. Probably.
What the ass is that?
Face paint.
Could be a little more gentle. You're like, that's what they call it, beating your face. Okay, this is a big controversy. Do you think water is wet or do you think water makes things wet?
I think...
Or do you never, the simple question, is water wet?
I think water makes things wet.
So
I don't think water is wet.
Same here. Water is not wet. That's gonna spark stuff in the comments. I'm telling you.
I feel like water. Wait, what am I trying to say? Like wet is like. Do you know what I'm trying to? Like wet isn't a thing. Like
it's an adjective. It's something to. It's something to describe something.
Yeah.
Water is a noun. Water is a thing. Water can't be a noun and an adjective. Or wet can't be a noun. What am I talking about?
I don't know what you're saying.
Yeah, because like right there, is that cup wet?
I consider it wet if
Whoa.
there's like.
The cup isn't wet. The cup is dry. That is weird.
But
the inside of the cup is wet. Water is not wet. My finger is dry. Now it is wet.
It does smell like pineapples.
That water, if you pour water, hold on. If you pour water on water, is that water wet now? Or is it just water? Like let's say you pour water on water.
It's not wet, because water's not wet. I don't think it is.
I don't think water's wet.
Don't take me too seriously. Like I'm literally just saying what I think. Like I'm not like a freaking scientist. Everyone's like, you're stupid, you're not a scientist, you don't know what you're talking about.
I'm a scientist of water. I know a lot about water. Do you know what the pH level? Oh my God. Do you know what the balance? Hey guys, it's me. What's that movie called where he has like half a mask? The Phantom of the Opera. It's me, Phantom. Do you know what the balanced pH level of water is? What is the balance?
Oh, isn't it 7?
Between 7 and 7.2.
That was really close.
Do you know? Oh my God, that is freezing.
Oh, sorry.
Do you know what? Oh my God.
Is it cold?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know what acidic water is?
Yeah, it's like too high. It's like over it, right?
No, below it. It's below 7.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, close. I'm just gonna...
My lips too?
Yeah. Probably should have glued down your mustache, but...
Ew, what's Black Swan? Have you seen Jim Carrey's Black Swan thing where he puts on all the makeup and he's like...
No.
Okay, then that is completely out of context. Oh, I look like Voldemort.
Oh yeah.
Right? Is that the one with no nose? Or is that the other guy?
Voldemort from Harry Potter.
You're a wizard, Harry. Now we're done with the white, we're gonna go on to the black.
No, I need to keep going. You look so crazy. This video, I just, we're just going, we're rolling with it. Why do you need so much water?
Yeah, and then higher than 7.2 is, oh, hold on. Higher than 7.2 is alkaline water. Alkaline's bad for you because it can mess up your natural acidic levels in your body.
Is alkaline too low or too high?
Too high. You should only drink alkaline if you have a lot of, like, oh my God, hey.
What?
You just, I don't know, that was very uncomfortable. If you get a lot of physical activity.
What does that feel like?
I'll do it to you.
No. It feels nice.
Yeah, if you do it to your hand.
We're gonna start with this base, and if we need to go in with more white, we will.
Hopefully I'm not allergic to this stuff.
I don't think so.
Because I would probably die.
What are you allergic to?
Nothing.
Oh, you're fine then.
Well, I don't know if I'm allergic to this yet. Okay, you want me to close my mouth or my nose?
Your eyes.
1 or 2?
2.
Both?
What?
I got scared.
Why?
Because I opened my eyes and you put your bush in it.
Close. Okay, look up.
I can't right now.
Okay, open.
Let me dry it first, dang. Please do not get close to my eye.
I'm not.
You're about to put it in my eye socket. Yeah, I'm not, I promise. Whoa! That's scary! I have an eyelash in my eye.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the black now. I'm gonna work with the black now.
I look like a whoa. I look like a floating head on this couch. Ooh. Well, and I don't have like good eye color. You know what I mean? So you can like barely see my eyes. So it just looks like I have like.
Just go with the.
Looks like I have black. Like my pupils are just really big. You're for sure messing up my man bun.
I think so a little bit.
Why are you holding on to my man bun like
You
that?
have to hold your head.
Hold my neck like a real gentleman. Ooh, I got a notification. This doesn't even recognize my face. Is that the black or white?
Black.
How do you know? How do you know the black that you see is the black that I see? What if your black is like red or purple? Oh, God, Mother Teresa, help me. Mother Nature.
Oh my God. Your head is heavy.
A head weighs 8 pounds on average.
8 pounds?
Yeah.
Like a baby.
I know. Let's wind you up. You have more energy?
No. Come on.
I think I got wound up too much.
Okay, don't move. I hate that you're like looking at me this close.
Why, Franny?
Because you're too close to me.
Because I'm just too cute?
No, you're too like close looking
You
at
say
me.
no, I'm not cute?
No.
You have a lot of pimples, or not pimples. You have a lot of beauty marks.
You have a lot of pimples. Thank
You have a lot of beauty marks. What are they called? Freckles.
Does that make me beautiful?
No. You just said I'm not cute. Ooh, you know what'd be good? So I did that.
Okay, open.
Should I get up or is this easy? Because I'm good.
You can stay like this for a minute. I want to get this.
I'll get it. This reminds me of like when you're in a movie and it's all quiet and silent and they just wait for the most silent part and someone's like, ooh, I want Doritos. Franny?
Ow! You took my eyelash off.
I had to beat your face. Let me do it.
No, you don't. Get it!
I had to. You're beating mine. I had to beat yours, Franny. Franny!
You have to make it look
You're
dead.
so precious, Franny.
Thanks. Thanks for rubbing your foot on my hair.
I wear shoes. They protect them.
No, you wear your shoes without socks majority of the time.
I know, but now I have socks on, so it's better.
Okay, we're making progress. Oh my gosh. Guys, Kian's like equivalent to a 12-year-old when he's trying to concentrate. Alright guys, so we are back after like 30 minutes of me just working on his face. I'm doing the teeth now and we're almost done. The mustache! His mustache is in the way!
It's a great mustache, though.
Mustache! I don't know what to do. I might have to just do what I did on...
Probably just a line.
Yeah.
That'd be easier.
The mustache won't let me...
It's like...
The mustache won't let me form it. Okay, let me just cover it up a little bit with the white. Okay, I guess we'll just go for it. I don't know.
I remember this part tickled. Oh, it tickles so funny. It tickles so bad.
Really? We're almost done! Come on.
Zen. Give me a break. That was bad. It's like more you get to the middle, it's bad.
Oh, stop.
You really got a hold of my head. Damn.
I just, you want me to just grab the back of your head? My hand doesn't fit in the back of your head.
I'm going over him again?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm gonna throw up.
Just one last time. Oh my god, I just want to make him a little darker. Was it this ticklish last time?
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember you freaking out like this.
I was more manly back then.
I guess so.
Now I do man buns, which are manly.
We're almost there. Guys, we're almost there! Ooh.
You're like, where'd it go? Oh.
It was like, and then it was like, ooh.
Look.
Ooh, can you keep it up there?
I have a big Adam's apple.
I know.
Like an Adam's grapefruit.
I'll just quickly paint this little skeleton thing on you.
The black goes all the way up to here, right?
I think so. Let me see.
Yeah, it goes like all the way up to like here.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's not bone. It should go like here.
Yeah. And then I'm just gonna go over the eyebrows really fast one more time, and then I think we're done. Oh my god. Guys, actually the first time we did this, what, it took like 4 hours?
It took a long time.
Wow.
Done?
Yeah, I think. Whoa. Yeah, it's just like a more pigmented version of the thing that I did 2 years ago. Wow, I still kind of have it, I think. I don't know. I haven't done makeup in a really long time. Like that.
Ooh, I'm a scary skeleton. He did the monster mash. Do I look scary?
Yeah.
Ooh, you know, it'd be cool if I had like contacts.
Like white or like
Some like
black.
crazy green.
All right, guys. So this is the look. Oh wait, you have to look at yourself. Do you have a mirror?
I don't. I have your phone.
Aw.
You can record a video. Ew. When I smile, I have like all white on my face, and when I smile, it's all yellow. Whoa, my eyebrows. Why did my eyebrows look like that? They look like out of a cartoon. Whoa, that is insane. I like this one better than the first one.
Yeah, because this one is better paint. All right, guys, so this is the skull look I did on Kian 2 years ago, and I did it with better makeup now, so it's a little, I guess, better looking, more pigmented. You can see it way better. It's not gonna melt off his face. Kian, you like it?
I like it better than the first one.
Good.
The first one, oh my god, I can't even tell you. When I went down to the party, that was pretty much already done because it took so long. When I went down there, I started sweating. The stuff was like running off my face. Oh my, I felt like I just had a bunch of grease all over my face.
Well, it was literally grease makeup from Party City, and it was $2. This is not cheap.
Yeah, it was gnarly. This feels good. I feel like I have nothing on my face right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like I feel like I have nothing on.
So you could have been like, you could have been A1 at a party right now.
Yeah, well I don't know about it. Like if I was sweating and stuff.
You just see the sweat, like the makeup coming
Everything
down.
starts dripping.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. I hope you guys have a fantabulous Halloween. I will be in Miami, I will not be in LA, so I hope you guys enjoy. Please leave a comment down below on how you thought I did. If you like the first one better or this one better. Put those push notifications on so when I upload, you'll know exactly when I do. Do not forget to subscribe. Go check out Kian's channel, leave a link down below, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye! What are you doing?
I have hair in my mouth. Bye!
Bye!
See you guys! Kisses.
Oh my god, so annoying.